Namaskasyans. Hope you all are fine and well at your places. This is your art and craft time and today I am going to make you learn origami house. So get ready to do this activity. To make origami house, the material you require is 2 color of A4 size sheet, black marker and Fevicol for pasting. First of all, take A4 size sheet and fold it like this. Make 2 pieces of this sheet. Take one piece and fold the corner of this sheet like this. Do the same with the other side. After folding both sides, fold it like this. Now fold the right side as well as left side like this. It will look like this. Yes. Now one side of house is ready. Apply Fevicol on the top side and paste this part properly. Now do the same with the other sheet also. Now we have 2 ready part of the house. Join it in this manner. Now our half house is ready. Only upper portion is left. To make the roof of the house, take other color sheet, cut it into half. Do fan folding with this sheet. Fold it to the top side, then turn the paper, again fold it, turn the paper, again fold it. Now our folding is completed. Now fold it in this manner. Open it and fold it like this. You can cut it according to the size of your house. Now apply Fevicol on it and on the top side of this house and paste this roof on it like this. Now our house is ready, but door and the windows are left. So take the cutout of door and paste it in the center of the house. Now apply Fevicol on the top side of the house and paste the rectangular shape paper as window. Now take the black marker and draw a circle here. Dark it from one side. It will give 3D look. Now draw a plus sign in the window and outline it. Outline the door also. Now draw a handle in the center. Our house is complete. Try this at home. Thank you so much.